Hey guys, Michael here. So, second video of like us biking that I'll be posting on YouTube. So anyway, we're gonna go through Superior today. The top, Superior. So, I'll update you guys when I'm there. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Ready, gang? We made it. So to the left is Louisville, and to the right is Superior. I don't know. I might get off of the castle, maybe not. It took me a little longer than yesterday, but once again, they're on the opposite side. I don't know if you can tell, but the wind has not been on my side. So I'll update you guys wherever I go. We're on the bike path on the Castling. That's Superior, so I'm pretty sure I'm in Superior, right? About now. So, this is interesting. I'll have to go all the way back. Oh, I'm annoyed. And now what do I do? So I went all this way for nothing. How do I get up there? And of course, well, this is Superior, everyone. But alright, folks, we made it to Rock Creek. How exciting is that? I can finally say I made it to Rock Creek. Oh, this is one of the Rock Creek neighborhoods. Alrighty, y'all. So, we're currently in Superior. I'm gonna check out another neighborhood, and then I'm gonna head back. Currently heading back. Here's Monarch. Maybe on so many bones. We're gonna wait till this car goes. Alright. Back on the bike path, y'all. So here we are. Pretty sure this is Louisville. Back in Ville. So here we are. Yes, there will be biking content. So, like I said, I went through Louisville and Superior, now I'm heading back. No one's coming, no. Oh boy. So, here we are, look at the mountains. So I'll update you guys when I'm on the top of 36. No, when I'm on like the lookout. I just made it. Oh, I'm close. Damn. Here we are. Now, just have to go downhill. Holy moles. So here we are, top the first hill on 36. So now we're gonna go downhill. Let me see it's down there. Let me on go boss. So on the back in Boulder. Well, it was a good bike ride. And so I'm on my way home. But so quick recap. We did today. We went to Superior and Rock Creek neighborhood. It's a good exploring, and hope you all like this and subscribe and leave a comment and like what y'all think.